Hi, it's April of Prerequisite Beauty. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button right there to get notifications when I upload videos, which I try to do every week. Prerequisite Beauty is a platform that focuses on both interior and exterior beauty, because we understand that our exterior is a direct reflection of our interior and we need them both to be flawless. So thank you for tuning in. I want to discuss different aromatherapy techniques, which is important. I love everything, but I really love aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is therapeutic. It helps me put in a good mood, with my positive affirmations, of course, but also with my different aromatherapy techniques that I use. So there are several products that I use for aromatherapy. Some of my favorites are Bath and Body Works. So they have this wonderful line of aromatherapy lotion. So this one is for sleep. It's black chamomile. This is a good one that I use. Look, it's already open. Then another one is jasmine and sandalwood, which is love. And we all need to love ourselves and also others around us. So this helps to perpetuate and vibrate love. Then we have one that is vanilla and patchouli. Patchouli. So this helps with comfort. Smells really good. Then I have another one. I have other ones too that are coming. I ordered some from Bath and Body Works and I've used several of them. But this one is orange and ginger. So this is for energy. It perpetuates energy, which we need some energy to be vigorous. And then another thing that I use from Bath and Body Works is a spray. It's like a pillow mist. So I spray, look, I only got a little bit. Like I said, I got an order coming in from Bath and Body Works where I had to order some more products. But this is eucalyptus and tea. And it's a pillow mist, so I just spray this on my pillow. I spray it on my sheets too. It just helps me to have a more restful sleep, a more sound sleep. It just provides comfort. So this is a good thing too. This eucalyptus tea. So they got a few fragrances they have for this pillow mist, which is really good. But like I said, my order coming. I would have went to Bath and Body Works and purchased it, but we understand that we're on quarantine and we can't go in the stores. So of course I'm online shopping and being patient while my order is coming. Another thing that I use as far as aromatherapy is my diffuser. So this is a regular aromatherapy diffuser that I purchased from Amazon. So they got a light. See the light? I don't know if you can see the light. Then they got the mist. I don't have anything in here. I'll put it in a second. But I have some left over. So you see the mist? Can you see the mist coming out? But maybe not. So this is diffuser. So you just look, I got some coming out. Let me turn it off. Yeah. So this is my diffuser. So you just put whatever it is that you need in here. So this one thing I like about this particular brand, it came with a measuring cup. So I can measure my water, because of course you put water in it, and then you put half, or not half, droplets of whatever, you can put whatever essential oil you want included. So I just measure my water out and I pour it in here. And see, it just fills it up. Then so these are some essential oils offered by TLC. So they have some fabulous essential oils that you can use. So this one is uplifting. And this one smells really good. It smells like flowers. And of course, it puts you in an uplifting mood when you add this essential oil to your diffuser. Then we have lavender, wild lavender. Everybody like lavender. Lavender is one of my favorite. And then they have peppermint. Now let me tell you about peppermint. Peppermint is really good because it helps open up your nostrils. And we all know that this coronavirus attacks our esophagus and our respiratory system. So with this peppermint, it just helps clears it up. So I'll put several droplets of this peppermint in my diffuser when I feel like I'm getting cloggy, or I just want to open my system up. Another good one is frankincense. I think about frankincense and myrrh. How the three wise men presented Mary and Joseph with the gifts of frankincense and myrrh. So I think about that's why I do frankincense. But the smell of frankincense it's put me in the mind of like perfume or kind of like cologne smell. So this is a good smell, frankincense. And then we have tea tree. So we like our tea tree oil. It's just the regular tea tree scent. Also, another good thing with this tea tree, what I use is, see my nose ring? So my nose ring, I use it once a month, not once a month, once a week, and I clean my nose ring. So that's a good thing with tea tree oil, if you didn't know that. It helps, you know, clean your, let's put a Q-tip and just clean around my nose ring, both the inside and outside, yeah. So what I do use too, this is some rose essential oil that I got from Amazon, and I like this one too. So with this one is, what I like about this one, as opposed to these, of course, by TLC, and just to keep it real, these, of course, are good. But, you know, you see the droplets, it just takes a long time to have it drop out. But with the rose, and I like the smell of rose. I don't know, I just like the smell of fresh flowers or roses. So you just take it, open, and just take a droplet. You see? It's just easier with the droplet for me. So this is rose. So we got the different scents, like I said, the essential oils. We got rose, we got lavender, we got peppermint, uplifting. Uplifting, it would be good too. That's kind of like a flowery smell. So that's pretty cool. Then we have tea tree. And then we have frankincense. So those are just some essential oils and aromatherapy methods I use on a daily basis. My essential oil diffuser is always going. I use several scents throughout the day, and it's always going. I like to have it on at night too, because it seems like it helps me more sound and sleep more sound and just wake up a lot more restful. Aromatherapy improves your overall health, reducing stress, improving your mood, and helping you sleep. So aromatherapy is definitely a good method to use and to incorporate in your daily routine. It's not really too hectic. You know, it's pretty simple with the different things, especially the diffuser is really good. But even like, you know, with the different lotions or whatever, it just helps your mood and reduces stress. So that's what we want to do. We want to have a stress-free and careful life. So thank you for tuning in to my channel. It's April, again, of Prerequisite Beauty. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you can get notifications again. Thank you for listening. Be happy, be blessed, and be safe. Make sure you're safe.